demonstration video of our forward dump squeezer turn. This is our 19500 lifter with forward dump. We have our wide straddled intermediate section to be able to get around the pallet. The forward dump has a power rotation on the right hand side V block. The left hand side V block has a guide for the drum, and then it has a locking detent pin that you can unlock and will allow everything to rotate freely. So you would do this after you've picked up the drum. You would unlock it to allow for the power rotation. It will automatically lock back into position when you release that locking pin. So you want to have this in this position when picking up. This is your squeeze unit here. This arm is fixed. This arm moves. You're going to put this left hand arm into position on the drum and drive the squeeze into the drum. It will automatically stop the movement as it's squeezing the drum. And then you know you have full grasp of the drum. You have your ball screw lift mast here. You have it covered with a plastic covering. Keep everything nice and clean. This lifter can't be washed down, but it can be wiped down. On the back side of the lifter is where all the controls are located. This is your power pack that powers all of the lifter, 24 volt DC, and the battery charger comes with it. The braking system, you push down on the brake to lock it to the middle for free swivel, and take it all the way up to lock the rear casters into position for long travel. The motor gear are located down at the bottom of the lifter. The handlebar is adjustable. You have 4 knobs. You can raise it and lower it. You have a 2-button removable pendant for raising and lowering. You can take that away, raise and lower. This control box is for your squeezer turn. This is your squeeze button. This is your open button. But you must use the red inhibit button on the side and the top to be able to release it. You have a rotation joystick here. It's variable speed that will forward dump the drum and also then return it back. Now we're going to pick up the drum. So you drive your lifter into position. Left hand V block will go to the drum. Your guide will locate to the top of the drum, and that will put the V block in the correct position. You hit one button to squeeze. That will squeeze the drum, and it will automatically stop. At this point, you want to release the rotation from the V block on the fixed arm so that now you can power dump it. You raise up and drive to the hopper or point of dumping for the drum. Make sure you're in an adequate position. The joystick on the back of the drum, back of the control box, is variable speed. You can go slow as you want or as fast as you want. Seconds meter to pour. Then you can drive the lifter around at any point during the dumping. Raise it up. All motions can be driven at the same time. You can dump it all the way over to 180 degrees, make sure everything is out. Rotate back to a vertical position. So take the drum back to the floor. Two buttons to release it. What you should do is to lock the fixed arm back into position so it can't rotate, and pull the lifter away, and you're ready for your next operation. Yeah, I know. That's what I want. driving the drum, make sure the handles are in the front and the back of the drum to make sure that they're out of the way for the rotation. You also want to unlock the rotating arm to make sure it is free for dumping.
They got their package. That's all they really have.
Once you've rotated the drum back to vertical, make sure you lock the drum back, the arm back into place. Two buttons to release the gripper pads.